If you want to customize navbar on Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open Settings. Once you open Settings, then over here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and go to the lock screen. In the lock screen settings, we need to find the navbar option. And there we go, here we can customize navbar. Now, unfortunately, there is not much that we can do in order to customize the navbar. We can, for example, toggle live notifications, so you can decide which apps should be working with the navbar. But unfortunately, you cannot, for example, add your own apps over here. So there is like a fixed list of apps that we can use with navbar, and we just rely on the fact whether these companies and these developers that have made these apps, they were willing to make it work with the navbar. And for those apps, that of course we can toggle it. You can just tap on the switcher over here. That's pretty much all. And there is also a couple of additional options that we can show or hide on the navbar, like the current mode, the not disturb, and the flashlight. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.